Elevate your cookies using the right ingredients. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today we're going to talk about ingredients and the importance on choosing the ones that are going to make your cookies better. But first, if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. Hi baker enthusiasts! Today we're going to dive deep into what makes a truly exceptional cookie. The ingredients. Trust me, when it comes to baking, the quality and the kind of ingredients that you choose on your recipe is going to make all the difference in the world. Let's talk about flour. Opting for unbleached flour ensures that you're using a more natural and minimally processed option, which can lead to a better texture and flavor in your cookies. Let's talk about sweeteners. Instead of regular granulated sugar, consider using caster sugar. Its finer textures dissolve more evenly into the dough, resulting in a smoother and more tender cookie. Next on our list is European butter. The secret weapon of many bakers. Its higher fat content and richer flavor can truly elevate your cookies to the next level. And don't forget about the eggs. Opting for organic eggs ensures that you're using eggs from hens raised without antibiotics or hormones, contributing to a more wholesome and ethically sourced ingredient. Moving on to seasoning, using sea salt or fleur de sel adds a delicate touch of flavor and enhances the overall taste profile on your cookies. Baking powder. Did you know that some baking powders contain aluminum? By choosing an aluminum-free option, you can avoid any unwanted metallic aftertaste in your cookies. Last but certainly not least, pure vanilla extract. Accept no substitutes, my friends. Its rich and aromatic flavor can truly enhance the complexity of your cookie recipe. If you want to learn more and why, please click the link above or look for the links in the description of this video. So there you have it, friends. When it comes to baking the perfect batch of cookies, every ingredient matters. By selecting high quality and thoughtfully sourced ingredients, you are not just making cookies, you are creating an experience. You can imagine the aroma on my kitchen. It smells amazing, and there's nothing that compares to a freshly baked sugar cookie. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.